guys, it's Dr. Grady with Restoration Chiropractic. Now we practice a few different techniques here, and today I wanted to show you guys one of my favorite. So it's called torque release technique, and it uses this device, which is called the Activator. Now we've had a lot of people say that they've had this done to them before, but chances are they're thinking of the Activator, which looks like this. Now, although these look very similar, the Activator is actually much more advanced. It fires independently at a threshold of 6 pounds of pressure. It also fires at 1/10,000th of a second, which is 3 times faster than this Activator. So what does that mean for you guys? Well, because it's moving faster, that means we could achieve the same adjustment with less pressure. Because the contact point is so small, it could be very specific to a specific vertebra and only move what needs to be moved. It also, because it is reproducible, 2 doctors can give the exact same adjustment. Now we have a lot of people that enjoy this technique because of how gentle it is. We could adjust somebody's spine entirely in the face down position and eliminate any need for cracking and popping, which you hear with traditional chiropractic adjustments. Torque release technique is one of the newest chiropractic techniques out there. It's also one of the most well-researched techniques as well. It deals with a tonal response of the body, meaning that it's dealing with the hertz frequencies, which is how the nervous system communicates. So in essence, it's helping restore the proper communication from the body to the brain. So if you have any questions about torque release technique, feel free to reach out to us and ask us any questions. We'd love to help you and your family achieve optimal health with one of the most advanced chiropractic techniques out there.